How to remove search history in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can clear them out. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. So here you can see the search that I have done. So these are the suggestions that it shows. Now in order to delete them directly, here you can see this cross icon. Simply tap on this cross icon and as you can see it has been removed. So it is quite simple. So if you don't want to have the recommendation and the history saved, you can directly tap on this cross button and it will be removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.